it should not be allowed. And there should be better use of land, tree fields, and ways and means. Already there's a project, very ambitious project, which has been started, and soon it will see, inshallah, completion, and then it will be, I hope, role model. It started in Bahawalpur, the first of its kind in Pakistan, which will have a huge comprehensive solution from waste collection to waste disposal, and then making energy out of it. So inshallah that will be a way forward. So addressing climate change is not just a moral imperative, but an existential necessity. The choices we make today will determine the world we leave for future generations. Let's choose wisely. Let's choose courageously. And let's choose to act with the urgency and resolve what this crisis demands. Let's continue to make the industrialized nations realize the impact of their actions. Pakistan has successfully made the world realize what Pakistan has gone through, the huge floodings we faced. When I took several truckloads of aid to province of Sindh from the people of Punjab, from private sector, and during that, when we were on helicopter visiting that area, for hundreds of kilometers there was nothing but water, and water had gone up, and it had impacted badly the lives of so many people, the crops, the livelihood, the schooling, the health sector, and the bigger infrastructure we had in those areas. So South Punjab and Sindh and Balochistan and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, every area in Pakistan has seen that. In COP9 conference and in the subsequent conference, Pakistan played an effective role. Prime Minister Shahbaz Sharif and cabinet members, they left no stone unturned in making the world realize. When Secretary General of the United Nations came to Pakistan, he was shown the picture of what Pakistan was going through. I'm really thankful to the Secretary General, and I appreciate the efforts of the government which tried to make the world realize that. And Secretary General now, I've heard him at different forums on the world scene and in different forums at the United Nations and at other places. I've heard him talk about the impact of climate change and its consequences on Pakistan. So that is one effect, as we call it, kare koi, bhare koi. And Pakistan is contributing very little to the carbon emissions of the world. But worldwide, we have unfortunately gone through a lot and suffered a lot due to that climate change. Allah